Good afternoon, everybody. We are outside today because it is a fabulous spring day. We are going to make fresh strawberry basil margaritas. And I know you can hear those birds chirping and you can hear the palms swaying because it is a beautiful day, and I think the birds are going to try to out-talk me on this one. So what you will need to make these fresh strawberry basil margaritas is strawberries, and you'll need several per cocktail, a squeeze of lime, basil, and I am using tequila. This is Patron Silver Tequila. I'm going to use agave. Now, if you don't want your margarita to be sweet, you don't have to sweeten it. Or you can make a simple syrup that's not super sweet. And you'll want a shaker, a blender. You don't have to have a blender, but it certainly helps. And a few other ingredients. And so let's get started. Let's start with 4 whole strawberries. Now these have been washed, and I'm simply going to remove the cap on top, and I'm going to slice these in half. So I'm going to use 4 per cocktail. Add these to the blender. I'm going to use 2 ounces of tequila for each cocktail, and I'm making 2 cocktails. Now I'm going to add a ½ ounce of agave per cocktail. So that's 1 ounce for both, half each, depending on your preference, whether you want it sweeter or not sweet at all. 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. That's 1 ounce per cocktail. I'm going to take my shaker and I'm going to muddle a couple of basil leaves per cocktail. A sprig or 2 here. And we're just going to muddle that because we don't want to add it to the blender to get it just down to pulp. We just want to bruise the basil leaves so they have that flavor intermingled with the strawberry and lime. So I'm bruising them on the bottom of the shaker. Oh, smells divine. It's so fresh. Now we want to blend all of the ingredients except the basil. Let's get the ice out of the refrigerator, and we're going to add some ice to our shaker and basil. Of course, there's several ways of making this. If you wanted a frozen margarita, you could just add the ice as you're blending, but we're not going to do that with this one. I'm going to add this to the shaker. We are going to use our margarita glasses and shake this up. Ooh, that looks nice and yummy. And I have a soft pellet ice maker, and I use any excuse to use this ice. So we're gonna put ice in our glasses. This is gonna be a nice, refreshing, fresh cocktail. Well, let's give this one more shake. Now be careful because it can be messy. Look at this. I can smell that freshness from here. Let's garnish with a bit of basil. And I have the most adorable picks, and I'll link them below, so if you want some. These are seashells, and I'll put a close-up for you. And I'm going to put a slice of lime and let's do a half strawberry. Ooh, that looks inviting. Now let's taste it. That is delicious. So I know where I'm going to be all afternoon, right here, overlooking the pool on the patio, spending a beautiful spring day. I hope you give this cocktail a try. It is very simple, fresh ingredients. You and your guests are going to love this. It's perfect for anything to do with spring and summer. One more sip. Oh, love, love, love this cocktail. This is perfect for any outdoor event. If you're having everybody over on the patio or you're going to have a cookout, this is the drink you want to serve this spring and summer. So save this recipe and share it with a friend. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram.